Hi there, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com and welcome to this Pod Quick Profits Review or Print on Demand Profits Review. Now, in a nutshell, Pod Quick Profits Review, I think I'm going to call it that. Pod Quick Profits is a training program that is going to allow you to make money using Etsy and Printful. So essentially training on creating your own stores and selling products through Etsy and through Printful, which is a print-on-demand mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, and like all kinds of things like that that you can customize and sell. If you've ever heard of drop shipping, that's probably the word I'm looking for. And if you're unfamiliar with what drop shipping is or print on demand, it's basically you build a store with products that you've designed or gotten a designer to do for you. You put it on your store. If someone orders that, then the print-on-demand company, in this case Printful and Etsy, they will send the product directly to the customer. You make the profits on the back end. You don't have to see any products, you don't have to store, you don't have to put any money forward, you don't need a website. So really good way to start making money online. Pod Quick Profits is the latest training that is going to help you to do that. Everything is up to date as far as this training goes. So if you're wanting to make money online and you want to experiment with this Ecom system, then this video is definitely for you. So what we're going to do today is get into what is involved in the training, and as well as that, I've gotten you some really cool bonuses that are going to supplement Pod Quick Profits for you, so you can really get going with a massive bundle of value, so you can really hit the ground running. Before we get into that, would really help me out as a small channel if you smash that like button, and if you want more videos like this about new products coming out, hit subscribe and hit that little bell notification. So people are already finding a lot of value with Pod Quick Profits. There have been people already using it, I think in a sort of test group kind of situation, and they've found a lot of success. Now, if you want to check out Pod Quick Profits at any time during this video or check out the bonuses that we're about to talk about, simply click the link in the description and you'll go through to my landing page, which looks like this. You have the terms, policies and stuff at the top there with my contact details if you have any questions you want answered. Bit on the product, and then my bonuses. So the way this page works essentially is if you click on any of these green buttons, that will lock in all of these bonuses so that when you go through, it will launch you off to the Pod Quick Profits official sales page. So when you do purchase it, all these bonuses and everything will be sent to you in one big bundle that you can access immediately. So when I'm choosing bonuses, I think to myself, okay, what does the product, in this case Pod Quick Profits, have? What is it missing? So really it's an Ecom training. So what I aim to do is plug in the holes and give you stuff that is gonna supplement that, so you can really, start not on step 1, but step 5 or 10, and just save you a whole lot more time getting going. Really quickly, the first bonus I've gotten for you is find your niche. Now, while you can be a generalist on Ecom stores, I've always found that it's better to specialize, especially in the beginning. So find your niche is really a great product and my first bonus for a reason, because finding your niche is step 1. I don't think I've ever gone into anything online, especially where finding your niche isn't the first step you have to take, and arguably the most important step. Whether you're selling affiliate marketing products, you're building a blog, you're creating an Ecom store, even if you are becoming a media marketing agency, you can't be a generalist because it's too competitive. You need to know how to find your niche first. What kind of products are you going to sell? Because that then defines who is your market, and who's your ideal avatar that you're going to sell to. You can't figure all those things out, your pain points and all this, until you have that niche. So this product's really going to go well if you look at this bonus before you even start doing anything with Pod Quick Profits. I guarantee you're going to just take that first step more effectively. It's going to send you in the right direction. So great bonus here that I've gotten for you. Bonus number 2 is called Internet Business Models. Now this goes into e-commerce and building it up and strategies that you can use. It's going to give you more knowledge behind creating an online business, especially revolving around e-com, because you can never know too much. So this is going to supplement Pod Quick Profits even more. You're going to learn even more information, so you can stay ahead. Bonus number 3, I've got on for you a 2-part bonus. One is called Mobile E-commerce, and that teaches you how to transform your website into a mobile-friendly e-commerce platform. It teaches you how to create an app for your e-commerce business, and then going hand in hand with that, mobile marketing, which is strategies into tapping into the mobile shopping market, strategies for marketing over mobile. If anyone out there has ever done any Facebook ads and you run an ad, you always see that at least 90% of the hits on that ad, at least 90%, come from mobile. So it's important to understand where your audience is coming from and how to market to them. Bonus number 4 I've got on for you usually comes, individually, but I've got on all 5 of these products for you. Comes from the Social Media Income series. So I've got on you Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest versions. So these are going to help you understand the nuances between each platform so you can drive traffic effectively from each of those platforms. So if you have a store up, you're going to come to this point where you're going to be like, okay, I have a store. And it's not a case of build it and they shall come. No, you have to go out and find your audience. And where is everybody online these days? They're on social media. And a lot of people tend to just blast out their products on social media in the same way, and they don't respect the nuances of the way each social media platform works. This is going to help you understand how to use each one effectively so you can drive even more traffic to those products that you are going to be selling on Pod Quick Profits and on your store. Bonus number 5 I've gotten for you is another 2-part bonus, lead generation on demand and email marketing success. So whether you're creating an e-commerce store or even affiliates, just any online business, after you get your traffic sorted out, let's say you're getting views, let's say you're getting a few sales, what really pushes you to that next level is the ability to capture your audience. So people are not just going into your store and leaving. They're going in there, and you might not capture all of them, but you'll capture some of them, and over time it adds up. And as you know, the money is made in the list. A lot of sales are going to come from the way you manage and market to your email list. And the good thing about an email list is that you can do it whenever you want. You are talking and contacting your audience on your terms. That's why lead capture is so important. These 2 products are going to go into lead generation, lead capture, and managing your email marketing. So that's definitely a next step you're going to come to. So this product is definitely going to help you when you reach that level. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1. Click the link in the description. You'll be taken to this page. You click on these green buttons. It locks in all those bonuses I just talked about, and you'll be sent to the Pod Quick Profits sales page, which looks like this. And you can go through and have a look at all the functions and features, what's involved. There's testimonials on there. There's a bit about the creators and what they've accomplished, a little bit about Etsy and Printful, and what is basically included. So there's a training module here on how to get started. So learn the things you need to get started with print-on-demand merchandise, including how great of an opportunity this is, how to set up accounts, the type of products to create, how to research products and keywords to make the most money. The second training module is setting up your profit base, how to set up your base for making profits over and over. These tips will get you started fast and on your way to selling print-on-demand merchandise. Selling print-on-demand is a really quick kind of, you can get started, in an hour sometimes. The third training module is how to create products. So if you're using Printful, you want to know how to create designs. So this is see how easy it is to make designs that sell, a step-by-step directions for creating and adding products to sell, even if you have no design experience. Training number 4 is marketing your products. So as you can see, a very linear kind of program as far as its setup is concerned. It's important to optimize your product listings to get free traffic and more sales. This training shows you how to make your listings traffic magnets and also includes extra methods for getting traffic and making sales with marketing tips and tricks. That's no doubt going to go into, copy and similar to the bonus I've gotten for you, social media income, that I imagine those are quite similar. Training module 5, success over time. As you build your store, there are some things to think about on what it takes to be successful. Learn how to look at margins, watch your store analytics, and general tips to crush it long term. and be profitable. This all comes with help and support as well as their own vendor bonuses, PDF clean sheet, reference guide to riches, secret tips to help you make sales and crush your competition, and future updates and additions to the course for 100% free. So 3 bonuses there, as well as my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11 bonuses. So 14 bonus products that you're getting if you purchase Pod Quick Profits. Just quickly, we'll check out the pricing. In the front end, you're getting everything that I've just talked about. And then there's one-time offer number 1, which is Resource Explosion. And you'll get a huge list of resources that I personally use. This is the creator, not myself. In his print-on-demand business, this includes ways to create designs, software tools, graphics, places to outsource if you don't want to create the designs yourself. One-time offer number 2, scaling secrets. So really how to scale your business to just take your profits to the next level. So it's $7 during the launch for the front end. You do only need the front end to get access to my bonuses, you should know, okay? If you want access to the bonuses I talked about from this bonus page, you do only need that front end. That goes up to $17 after launch, and $27 for the one-time offer number 1, Resource Explosion, and one-time offer number 2, $37 for scaling secrets. So a lot of value here when you take into consideration what you're getting for $7. Basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the cheaper price. So I do recommend checking it out. Risk-free, there is a full 30-day money-back guarantee. You'd get to keep the bonuses. So really not a lot to lose here. Do note though that you do have to keep your eye on this countdown timer because this is a launch week kind of offer. So when this countdown timer hits 0, the pricing goes up, the bonuses are taken down, and yeah, so it makes sense to get in sooner rather than later. If you have any further questions or concerns, you can feel free to hit me up in my email, which is right here, on social media, or even better, drop them in the comments so other people, if they have the same questions, they can just learn from that. Otherwise, enjoy Pod Quick Profits. I hope you love the bonuses, and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care.